Every time you're going to set up a new laptop or a new PC, Microsoft is going to ask you to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then after you connect to a Wi-Fi network, it's going to ask you to have a Microsoft online account. So the cases are if you do not have an online account because you are setting it for somebody else, or you do not have a Wi-Fi network, then you get to be stuck into setting this one up, finding where to connect this one via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So here's what you can do. Since you don't have a Wi-Fi network, simply go to your keyboard and press Shift F10 for some laptops, and for other laptops, you go ahead and press Shift Fn F10. Once you have pressed this one, a command prompt or a terminal will appear. Once it appeared, you click on that window, then type in OOBE slash bypass NRO. You can also find this one on the video description so that you can easily copy paste this one if you happen to have a difficult time uh, going through this video. And then after that, you press enter. Then you will have a response from the command prompt that's going to be successful, and it will restart. Once it will restart, you go back to the very first parts of the setup of this laptop where you get to select the country, then you get to select the keyboard. Then, when this part where you connect to a network, something will appear new wherein it says, I don't have internet. Earlier, when we did not do the bypass NRO, I do not have internet button here. Now that you have it, you click on I don't have internet. Then you get to continue installing Microsoft or setting up your Microsoft operating system. Of course, as always, you set up the name, the password, and then you go for next. After which, some settings you need to set up here. It would be your option to turn or skip these sections. It will be all up to you. Once it's done, Microsoft will show up, and then just give it a few seconds. You're up and running without even connecting to the internet and having a Microsoft online account. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something from this video. See you in the next one.